Good day, ma'am. Ako po si Padwan Rafael Joseph Aguilan. Section 2 Alpha. Subject po ay LEA 101 Law Enforcement. Magme-memorize po ako ngayon ng BMGO, which is Vision, Mission, Goals of CCJE, and Objectives of the Program. First po, Vision. The leading university for holistic human development in Western Philippines and beyond. Next po ay Mission. The WPO commits to undertake quality instruction, research, extension programs towards a progressive Western Philippines. Next naman po, goals of CCJE. The Premier College committed to produce morally upright and globally competitive graduates in the field of criminal justice and allied discipline. Generate and disseminate criminological researches to promote awareness on social justice and public safety. Objectives of the program. The program aims to provide future criminologists with strong interdisciplinary foundation to be able to respond appropriately and ethically in challenging real-world situations as they prepare further education. Produce graduates equipped with leadership skills and high sense of integrity, accountability, and responsibility. Yun lang po, ma'am.